students, this is Maryam Abdul Haleem, geography teacher of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. Today I am going to discuss chapter 2nd, the world population, and this is for class 12th. In this chapter we are going to study distribution, density and growth of the world population. So let us begin with our chapter. Pattern of population distribution in the world. Pattern of population and distribution help us to understand the demographic characteristics of any area. The term population distribution refers to the way people are spread over the Earth's surface. Broadly, 90% of the world population lives in about 10% of its land area. The 10 most populous countries of the world contributes about 60% of the world's population of these countries. There are 6 located in Asia. Identify these 6 countries of Asia. Density of population. Each unit of land has limited capacity to support people living on it. Hence, it is necessary to understand the ratio between the numbers of people to the size of land. This ratio is the density of population. It is usually measured in square kilometers. So, density of population is calculated by density of population is equals to total population upon area. That means how one area is populated. It is densely populated or it is normally populated. So if the area has more population, then it is being called a densely populated area, and if it's a mild population, in this world map we can see the area which is darker, that is a densely populated area. The density of population in those areas is more than 200, and as it goes lighter it becomes less dense. So we can see India falls in a densely populated area. India, China, and this uh, southern Asia part is usually densely populated areas. And we can see the lighter shades, those countries are less populated. The density of population in those areas are very less. Now we'll move further on the factors influencing the distribution of population. So first is our geographical factors. Now under geographical factors, your first factor is availability of water. So water is one of the most common, or you can say one of the most used resource by human beings, and without water it is very difficult to survive. So people usually attracted to fresh water, or where the water is available, it attracts peoples a lot. So first factor, that is geographical factor, is availability of water. It is the most important factor for life. So people prefer to live in areas where fresh water is easily available. Water is used for drinking, bathing, and cooking, and also for cattle crops, industries, and navigation. It is because the river valleys are among the most densely populated areas of the world. Now, second factor is landform. People prefer living on flat plains and gentle slopes. This is because such areas are favorable for the production of crops and to build roads and industries. The mountainous and hilly areas hinder the development of transport network and hence instantly do not favor agriculture and industrial development. So these areas tend to be less populated. Then your third geographical factor is climate. An extreme climate such as very hot or very cold deserts are uncomfortable for human habitation. Areas with a comfortable climate where there is not much seasonal variation attract more people. So it is very common that climate plays a very big role in the population distribution, because usually people prefer to stay or live in the area which have a favorable climate, so that they can that climate can